Hi, and welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. So, I'm going to now take us into a different series. We're going to focus on each of the chakras separately. So, each 10-minute meditation for the next 7 days will be based on one of the chakras. Now, each of the chakras align with a gland. And those glands are the physical effect. So we have the spiritual energy effect of the chakra, and then the physical effect on that gland and what that gland does to help us physically. And of course, our mind controls all of it. So our mind in meditation is now going to bring peace, clearing, harmony to that chakra so that it can then bring peace and harmony and wellness to the physical body. We are going to start with the linden gland. That's the root chakra. Interestingly, the linden means to seal. The interesting part about the root chakra and the gonads is that there's no scientific evidence, this is based on Edgar Casey's readings, that this is where the mental part of feeling depressed, when that chakra's clogged and the gonads get clogged, we become depressed, confused, not sure of our life purpose. These are the triggers there. So in today's meditation, we are going to go down into our root chakra, pulling the spirit with us. With the Lord's Prayer, we are bringing the spirit into our body. So we're going to go down there with God, not alone, and just ask for it all to be cleared and his beautiful new energy to fill the area. We will sit with the joy of the new energy for a few moments. I will end the silent period with the chime, as always, so you know I'm going to speak. And then we'll close with the 23rd Psalm. As always, we will begin with the prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. So let's get started. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and just begin to relax. Invite yourself to let go. Scan your body and notice if there's any tightness, any discomfort. And if there is, go to that place and invite your body to just simply let go. Notice how quickly your body responds to your mind. Mind is the builder, the physical's the result. In this comfortable, relaxed state, let us begin with the prayer of protection. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Let us look up at the beautiful light that's streaming into our body. See it filling our head, moving rapidly down to our neck, chest, stomach, down at the end, and now down to the root, the very bottom of our spine. Feel the warmth. Feel the comfort. Allow the beautiful energy of the divine to just move in a circle, swiftly picking up, cleaning house, healing wounds, emptying out those memories that are emptying out those parts of the memories that do not serve us, leaving the lessons but not the pain, leaving the wisdom but releasing the sorrow. Feel it moving, cleansing. You might feel a sensation And as it finishes pulling out, it is now replenishing. Replenishing with the spirit, with the divine. Feel the light, feel the energy. Let us sit quietly and just enjoy the rejuvenation, the cleaning out, the filling up of our root chakra. Let us be grateful and just send up a little prayer within yourself of appreciation and thankfulness for this rejuvenation, mentally making us more sound, physically making us stronger, healing and completely restoring our root chakra. Thank you. And as we release this meditation, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Okay, so it might have even made you feel a little sexually charged. Those things happen when the root chakra's firing. You weren't like being weird or anything. Totally normal. All right. There will be no other surprises like that throughout the rest of these meditations. I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Thank you for joining me. Bye now.